Here you go. Nope. Where'd you go? Here, I thought you were slow. What happened? Nope, you can't chew my sock. No, you don't get to chew my sock. You don't get to attack my sock. What are you going to attack now? You going to attack me? No, you don't get to come this way. Sorry. Where'd you go? You are totally insane.